Aquaba, welcome to Diane's channel. Ah, boy, coming from Jamaica, I tell you, I never expected weather in Ghana to be what it is as I'm experiencing. It's nippy. It's extremely nippy for me today. And a distinction I would like to make. Persons from the diaspora, Jamaican diaspora, once you're coming or you have arrived in Ghana from Jamaica, as I did, again, my experience through my own eyes, it's going to be coming directly from, as they say, yard, coming directly from Jamaica. The diaspora that's coming in to the continent, choosing destination Ghana, from Canada, the UK, US of A, those regions, in terms of the weather, you and I may not have the same experience because you're accustomed to winter. Even if you're out there in Florida, because my recent trip there not too long ago, I was complaining how cold I was. So again, my comments, read the weather, is going to be, the Jamaicans who choose to come here for a visit. Yes, depending on the time. And I got here from March and now we're in August. Coming out of Jamaica with the heat, we may be on the same page, right? It's very nippy, chilly, and it is what it is. But then lovely nonetheless, and quite windy or breezy. No, the channel is not doing too bad, yes? And I do have quite a few commenters who, want more information, and I've given the email address jatoghana.com where we can move the convo. But I think I need to be more specific with that. And understand, I know exactly how you feel for those persons who really want to come to Ghana, never been here before, and they're eager and they want to make that connection. It was the same for me in Jamaica. I know what it is. You may have reached out to one or two other YouTube creators and you don't get a response, you don't get any feedback. I understand that. Bear in mind, you do not know what's on their plate. I can't speak to that at all. What I can say for myself is I tell you, sure, reach out, that I'm the facilitator. But what I need to make very specific is the growth of the channel will come. And once the growth comes, obviously, as I've mentioned before, I may not be able to respond to the comments. Yes? Now, at the moment, I'm able to do that. But remember, I said sharing my own experience on how did I achieve what I achieved in the 4 months in terms of residency and all of that. I said, once I got the ticket. Yes? So if you have not purchased your ticket, meaning you have not made that decision mentally to come and visit Ghana, then please, let's just keep your questions or so on the particular vlog. Let it be public, because there may be other persons who, want to jump in and respond, because the thing is open like that. Repeating what I've put on all these vlogs again in an email, that's a bit much. And I'm not entertaining the ignoring again, right? I'm not going to ignore when somebody reaches out. But I would like you to just follow the steps right? The first thing is, if you are, because you have to, you know, you cannot lock into any one YouTuber. That's just my belief. I did not do that. I looked on several YouTube content creators coming out of Ghana, because from each one you can get a little bit of something. But yes, whoever is speaking directly to you, you may be watching them a little bit more. So what I encourage is that if you really want to make the move to Ghana, out there in the diaspora, especially the Jamaicans coming from Jamaica or elsewhere, I am suggesting that you look at other YouTube content creators out there and see what you can garner. When you touch down on Diane's channel, Diane says, if you're thinking of taking a vacation to Ghana, when you buy the ticket, contact me. If you're thinking about moving to Ghana, when you purchase that ticket, contact me. Because as I was inspired, I had already made the decision to buy my ticket. Yes? The inspiration is just to say, okay, sort yourself out as much as you can, Dan. And when you get here, let's do some boots on the ground and see who you connect along the way. That's the same thing I'll have for you, right? If you're not too sure, continue, man. Just go and look again at other content providers on the YouTube platform and see what you can get. So I have persons reaching out, positive ones coming, tickets in hand, and I'm excited about that. Number 2, my phone number on WhatsApp. No, I'm not. No. I'm not giving that out at all. Yes, we're keeping it on the public platform, on whatever vlog you have tuned into, and via the email. And again, I will address. I really don't want to repeat what I've already put on all these vlogs. And I think I've been very clear up to a point. Yes? But again, once you have the ticket, that's fine. Residency, no. That's not my cup of tea. No, I'm not taking, no. It's Sister Ya. And I mentioned that. I already spoke to Sister Ya way before I knew she had a YouTube channel. And I said, Sister Ya, anybody that comes through me and is interested, I'm directing them to you. And that's exactly what I will do once you connect with Diane and you're actually here in Ghana. I will then communicate, have a conversation with Sister Ya. And once she says it's okay, then I will furnish you with her contact number and you deal directly. That's facilitating. That's what it, but I'm not taking that on at all. Yes, Sister Ya will guide you. She's the expert in that with residency. And so if there's any amendments, exclusion, inclusions or so, she'll be able to point in that direction. Diane is not going there, not taking, no, I'm not a jack of all trades and master of none. Jack of all trades and master of none. No, I'm not. So, moving on. Today, I am going to have a one-on-one with the chairperson and the secretary of, guess what? The Mosiah Garvey Foundation. So I am excited, right? Because I have, the usual, I have quite a few questions. And I can just give you a little bit about this couple. Their journey from Jamaica to UK and from UK to the continent of Africa, Ghana destination. And I believe they have been living in Ghana, let's say maybe 20 plus years, right? Stay tuned for that. Thank you as always for tuning in. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So, hold tight until this one-on-one comes up. God bless.